Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss the growth of bacteria, that is growth curve of bacteria. Growth cycle. Bacteria reproduce through the binary fission. It is a process in which the parent cell divides into two daughter cells, and this growth occurs through the in the exponential manner, that is exponential growth occurs. What is exponential growth? If we have one bacteria, it divides to form two bacteria, which divide to form four, and four bacteria divide and give rise to 8 bacteria, and 8 bacteria give rise to 16 bacteria. This is exponential growth of bacteria. We can say that one bacterium will produce 16 bacteria after the 4 successful divisions. The doubling or generation time, that is the time taken by bacteria to divide completely, it ranges from as little as 20 minutes for Escherichia coli, and it can be as long as 18 hours for Mycobacterium tuberculosis, one of the slowest growing bacteria. This doubling time, that is short doubling time of some organism, results in the rapid production of very large numbers of bacteria. For example, if we have one Escherichia coli organism, then this Escherichia coli organism will produce over 1000 progeny in about 3 hours, and it can produce over 1 million progeny bacteria in about 7 hours. So you can imagine that how rapidly Escherichia coli can grow. The doubling time varies not only with the species, but it also depends on the amount of nutrients that is provided to bacteria, temperature, and pH. Some bacteria grow at alkaline pH, while some can grow at acidic pH more easily, while some can grow at neutral pH. It also depends on the environmental factors. Some bacteria grow in the saline environment, while some cannot grow in the saline environment. The growth cycle of bacteria has 4 major phases. If we inoculate a small number of bacteria into a liquid nutrition medium, and the bacteria are first counted at frequent intervals, then we have 4 typical phases of standard growth curve. These can be demonstrated. First phase is lag phase. In the lag phase, vigorous metabolic activity occurs in the bacteria, but these bacteria do not divide. This can last for a few minutes and up to many hours. The second phase is log phase, also known as logarithmic phase, because in this phase rapid cell division occurs. In this phase exponential growth occurs. The drugs, that is several antibiotics including beta-lactam drugs like penicillin etc., act in the log phase. Because these drugs are effective when the cells are actively dividing, actively making peptidoglycan. This is the exponential phase. The third phase is the stationary phase. This phase occurs when the nutrient depletion occurs or toxic products are accumulated due to metabolism of the organisms, and the growth becomes slow, and the number of new cells produced becomes equal to the number of the cells that die, and stationary phase is achieved. This is known as steady state. The cells that are grown in a special apparatus, that is hemostat, in which fresh nutrients are added and the waste products are removed continuously. Log phase can be achieved for a longer time, and stationary phase does not occur. This is about the stationary phase. Now you can see the graph. The phase that is A phase, it is the lag phase. In this, no growth of bacteria is seen, but vigorous metabolic activity occurs. In the B phase, that is log phase, vigorous growth, that is exponential growth of the bacteria occurs, and the number of bacteria increases rapidly. The third phase is the stationary phase, when the number of bacteria that are produced becomes equal to the number of bacteria dying, and a stationary, that is steady state, is achieved. This is the stationary phase. This fourth phase is known as refers to death phase, in which due to depletion of the nutrients or due to use of the antibiotics, the bacteria are killed and the number of bacteria declines. This is known as death phase. The final phase is the death phase, and it is marked by a decline in the number of viable bacteria. This is all about the growth curve of bacteria, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.